How did you make the jump into founding your own startup?
That's a good question. I think it was based on a personal need. When I started my PhD here at ETH Zurich, I was actually desperately looking for a 3D printer that can print silicons because we wanted to do some research with customized silicon parts. And I was surprised that there was nothing on the market. And since my background is in chemistry, I figured this would be a nice project to spend the next, several years of my PhD, and this is basically what we then did. And first, it was just thought of actually, just developing a technology for in-house use as a basis for our research. But then, at some point, we got a lot of traction from the industry. So we had companies calling us up. The phone didn't stop ringing anymore, and all of a sudden, we realized also when we compared our technology to what's really out there, or what was out there 2 or 3 years ago on the market, we realized we had something probably a bit more powerful or with a bigger potential than we expected initially, and that's when we decided to incorporate the company, get first customers in. That's how it went.